Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, this reading is for stock markets. Uh, First stock markets, then commodities, and then currencies. So, cards for Nasdaq, New York Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, Nifty, National Stock Exchange Index, Nifty. Before moving ahead, one sincere request: if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also keep giving me feedbacks. Last week only I had started these predictions on commodities, currencies, and I am totally new to this. So I'll request viewers to give me feedback how accurate these predictions are or how bad these predictions are proving, so that I can make changes and I can improve on my predictions. So I'll require your honest and sincere feedbacks. So I'll start with Nasdaq. Now, next week from 31st August to 4th of September, things are not good. There can be some sudden rise or fall. Mostly fall, sudden fall in the index because of some warlike sentiments. Certainly. So, investors, be cautious. Then, New York Stock Exchange looks like um, it it will gain. New York Stock Exchange, the stocks will do well. Performance looks good of the index. Then Bombay Stock Exchange, certainly I can see Sensex doing well, but again it will remain in a in its boundaries, like it will remain range bound. It will not just race away very high. It will remain range bound again coming week. No very high gains. I don't see very high gains. Now Nifty will do well. Looks like overseas stocks will do well, and overseas stocks and media stocks related to media companies are expected to do well. Anything which is related to media looks like will do well. So this was the prediction for coming week, 31st August to 4th September for stock markets. Now let's check for commodities. Now come commodities: gold, silver, cotton, crude oil, natural gas, aluminium, and copper. I'll start with copper. Now, investors, be cautious about copper. There can be sudden rise or sudden fall in this metal. So be cautious while investing in copper. Aluminium, again, it will remain within a range, and I don't see high gains from between 31st August and 4th September. In fact, prices might come down in aluminium. Then natural gas, yes, I can see slight gains, stable but slight gains in natural gas between 31st August and 4th of September. Then crude oil, again I can see gains between 31st August and 4th of September 2020. Then cotton again, because of some kind of government policies, there might be price of cotton might come down. So I don't see gains in copper between 31st August and 4th September on MCX. Uh, I had taken into account trading at MCX. Okay, so from there only I got the names of these commodities which are being traded there. Now, silver prices may come down. Silver and gold, be cautious. Investors, be cautious. For gold and silver, prices may well come down between 31st August and 4th September. So crude oil and natural gas are safe bets. So that's commodities. Now currencies. Friends, in last week's video I had taken into account only rupee against dollar, but this week I had also taken into account rupee against euro and rupee against pound sterling. So looks like rupee will remain stable against dollar, or I can see slight gains. And rupee will strengthen against dollar somewhat, but more or less stable. Against euro, yes, I can see rupee gaining. Hence, rupee will strengthen against euro, and also when it comes to British pounds, rupee will do well. It will strengthen against British pound. So in coming week looks like rupee will strengthen against these three currencies relatively. See, I am not expert in this, but I can read cards. So through cards I am trying to predict these things, but I'll require you people to give me sincere feedbacks, honest feedbacks, so that I can improve on these things, and I can give accurate predictions in coming weeks and months. So please, request you to those who are expert in these fields, please provide me with sincere and honest feedbacks on these predictions, how good or how bad they are doing. Thank you.